Hello everyone, welcome to our Kurdish lessons. I am Mamusta Hamza. We will learn alphabet together in this lesson today, and we will start with the capital letters, then small letters, and then we have a different type of voice in Kurdish. I will talk about it, and our lesson will end. Yeah, Alphabet, it means alphabet in Kurdish. And as you see, we have many letters. So most of them are similar with English Latin letters. And some of them are different by pronunciation and writing system. So let's start. And I have my marker. A, A, B, B, C, C, Ç, Ç, D, D, E, E. And this one is maybe challenging. We say E, E. You should practice this. And we say F, F, G, G, H, H, I, 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 J, J, K, K, L, L, M, M, N, N, O, O, P, P, Q, Q, R, R, S, S, Ş, Ş, T, T. And these are two similar, but they are different. First one, Ü, Ü, like when we say Kurdi. Kurdi means Kurdish in Kurdish language. So the other one is U, U, V, V, we, we, like when we say what. And here we have khe, khe, ye, ye, and ze, ze. So some points we should know that here one of them is when we write a sound, it's like this, but in the small form we have a dot here, as you see. So and our alphabet is like that. So lastly, we have two letters here, two consonant letters here, and they are w and h sound. W, h. When they come together, they create a new sound, like hue, hue, h plus w, hue, hue. And we have some simple words that we can practice alphabet here. I will tell for each letter and one word, one single word, and I want you to repeat after me, please. So, let's start. Agir, baş, ciran, cav, dev, ard, êzing, fêrgeh, gore, hefte, incas, îro, jin, gevok, lênûsk, mal. And the other side, nan, ol, pêl, quleng, roj, sêv, şev, tip, ötê, ûr, vizik, werdek, xelat, yek, zîv, Huanden. That's all. These are Kurdish letters. So our course ends now. Let's have our next course, our next lesson in the other video. Goodbye.